Metro's budget debate is about to kick into high gear. With revenue way down due to COVID-19, Mayor Cooper is proposing a 32% property tax increase he says is needed to prevent massive cuts.
But that will not be the only proposal. Our investigative reporter Ben Hall frames the budget battle, including a debate over how to spend federal money.
We are in a crisis situation now.
Everyone agrees the shutdown over the coronavirus has devastated Metro's budget. The question now is how to pay for it. Finance Committee Chair Bob Mendes has proposed property tax increases in each of the last 2 years, but he may just support the mayor's budget this year.
We can make the hard choices. We can get this balanced.
Mayor Cooper proposed a 32% property tax increase, which he says will prevent massive cuts to Metro departments. Under his proposal, the property tax bill for the owner of a home valued at $300,000 would go up by $750 next year.
I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do.
Mendes says he may still propose a budget of his own that raises property taxes a little higher, or he may just support the mayor's budget. He says it will be difficult debating different budgets when council members cannot even meet face to face.
I'm a firm believer that an okay, not entirely bad plan executed quickly and efficiently is better than sitting around debating the perfect plan.
A 32% property tax increase, there's no way. Right now is the wrong time. It's the wrong number.
Conservative-leaning councilman at large, Steve Glover, is proposing his own budget. It would still increase property taxes, but he says by less than 20%. It would require across-the-board cuts in Metro government. Are you concerned that your budget will lead to layoffs?
Well, it may. I'm taking money out of all the departments, most every department across Metro, and they can tell us how they want to fix it.
I think at the height of a crisis is the wrong time to take a machete to the city government.
Mendes says there could be as many as 5 different budgets for council members to review, but there is not a lot of time. They must pass a budget by the end of next month.
It's going to be very, very difficult to find compromise when we can't be in the room with each other.
Nashville received $121 million from the federal government as part of the CARES Act for coronavirus relief. It's been sitting in a bank. Stand Up Nashville recommends giving $300 checks directly to 50,000 homeowners to offset the upcoming property tax increase.
This isn't a time for us to be giving money to organizations who say the money is then going to, trickle down to people.
Stand Up Nashville is made up of labor unions, some of whom represent Metro employees. The organization says cutting Metro government hurts low-income people the most, and they support the property tax increase.
We just can't ignore the fact that if we don't raise the property rate, then we cannot adequately fund our budget.
Mendes says he wants a transparent plan to spend that $121 million. He says if it's not spent by the end of this year, it goes back to the federal government. Right now, he is not opposed to what Stand Up Nashville is proposing. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.